guys, so we just in Arima here now, and looking at another lawn rescue project. So I'm looking to head outside, meet the customer, and head to the back and see how we could see what's happening here. Alright guys, so this place is fantastic. It's really nice from the front. We actually established a lawn in front here many years ago, and but then years after she went and developed the back, we didn't have anything to do with that, and the back has some challenges, and so we're just checking on what the challenges are and see how we can actually rescue this situation if it's possible. So let's go. Alright. Okay, so straight off the bat, we're seeing she has turf in the back here, Zoysia turf, and we're seeing it a lot of Alizicapus vaginalis in it, but we're seeing some looking kind of brown, like if they've been sprayed or something. We have a bunch of oxalis here, and we have some sedges here looking like fibrostylus, and we have a lot of fibrostylus inside here. So this is a problem. This is a problem. Now fibrostylus looks like nutgrass, but it's not nutgrass, but it is a sedge. It's the same family of plant like nutgrass is, but you can't treat them the same way. The same treatments that you treat for nutgrass doesn't necessarily work on the fibrostylus. So we have a lot of that here, a lot of oxalis. Wow, it looks really weedy, and the customer actually described the lawn as a million weeds. But it's very few types of weeds though. For instance, there are hardly any grassy weeds in here. I'm not seeing any goose grass, I'm not seeing any doveweed, I'm not seeing any, grassy stuff. It's just this oxalis, fibrostylus, and Alizicapus vaginalis. Now besides that, what we have here is that the place is kind of up and down, it's wavy, so that's a thing. That's definitely, we definitely would not have done that. It's wavy, and the grass is kind of, it's not that healthy, it's kind of stagnant looking. I'm pretty sure that when they come to cut this, they have nothing to cut. And this being the height of the wet season, we are having tons and tons and tons of rain. This should not be like this, right? So something has to be done about waking this grass up. Ideally, that would be a manure top dress. The challenge is getting proper manure. By the way, if you have sources for me of proper cured manure, I'm very interested. Other than that, I'm starting something up, and we'll talk more about that some other time. But yeah, so this is pretty straightforward what we're seeing here. Oxalis and fibrostylus. Yeah, I think we have some genuine nutgrass in the corner here. I think we know what to do. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna set up a secular treatment, and we're gonna treat the fibrostylus after. The fibrostylus and the oxalis afterward, and this could more or less be a mono treatment, or not really a mono treatment, but one treatment that will treat everything, but we may apply that more than once. So we may do it this week, and then do it again in a week's time, and that should sort out the majority of the weed issues that we have here, right? And then we'll talk to the homeowner about the possibility of maybe doing a top dressing to level the place out more, and possibly about a manual top dressing to get the grass more healthy. Other than that, we can try other things. We can try other things to see if we can wake the grass up and get it looking how it's supposed to look. Right? So, yeah, so that's it. Let's go. Okay guys, so you see how in front looks compared to how the back looks. The front is nice and weed free, the back full of weeds. up and down here is nice and smooth. Of course we planted here, but I wouldn't take any pips, you know. But so we finished. I mean, we did the seed killer treatment first, and then we sprayed for the weeds. More sedge oriented, sedge and broadleaf, no grassy weeds. So it's kind of uncomplicated. And so in a week time we should be able to come back here and see how things are looking, and yeah, see how we go forward from there. As I said, the important things after that are looking at the health of the grass. The grass could be healthier. But this is a good one. I'm very confident about how this one is going to turn out. And so I look forward to it, and look forward to you all sharing it with me as well. So if you have any challenges, or you know somebody who has challenges in their lawn, we'll be happy to see how we can make them part of the lawn rescue program of Green Dynamics, and see how we can really bring people's lawns back to their full potential and have them showing up their landscape, showing up their houses as they are supposed to, and making spaces that people can enjoy, you know. And that's the bottom line of the whole thing. So let's see how we can do it. As we continue, stay green, my friends. Until the next one. Whew. Alright guys, so today we've come back here, and today it's about the manure top dress. Last time I came here, we had gotten rid of about 90% of the weeds, and then we did a follow-up treatment to deal with what was left. And so, you know, let's go and see how that looks. You know, and immediately as I step in here, it's already fantastic. You're not seeing any weeds at all. I mean, this place, y'all can remember how this place was. This was this was what the customer referred to as a sea of weeds. There were weeds everywhere, all different kinds of weeds, all different colors, things high and low and whatnot. And now, wow, complete transformation. I mean, like, everything is gone. It's gone, it's gone, it's gone. Wow. So what we have is just that the grass could be more healthy, right? And so that's what the manure top dressing is about. We are going to top dress this grass, completely cover it with manure. I'm really hoping we got good manure. We're going to completely cover it with manure, and then in a few weeks time, probably about 3 weeks, this place is, this grass is going to be transformed. I can hardly wait to show you guys. So right now it's about the manure top dress. Let's go. So yeah, this is it. We just about finished here. Looks disgusting. But let's see in a few weeks time how it looks. Let's come back in a few weeks time and see how it looks, and see if all of this would have been worth it. Of course, you all know the history. We planted this lawn 1 million years ago, and the one in the back we didn't plant, and we ran into, well, in the back ran into a lot of problems. And so we put this on the lawn rescue program, and right now, based on what the customer would have told me, I'm expecting to see fantastic results. Let's go. So this is the front lawn. The front lawn was always pretty good. It didn't run into major problems like what happened with the back lawn. but the back lawn was terrible. This place, she described this place as having a million weeds. Let's look at how it looks right now. So this is the back lawn, and right now I wouldn't want you to bet your life to find a weed in the back here. It is really, really, really clear of weeds, and there were all different sorts of weeds here, but it is excellent right now. Excellent. You know, it's been dry, so we're getting a bit of brown and so on coming out with the grass, but it is clear. It is clear of weeds. This is ready for the dry season. So we're still treating it with a seed killer to make sure that the weeds don't come back, at least the majority. Whatever we can affect with seed killer, we've treated it with seed killer, and I've looked through the whole place and probably found like 5 little tiny weeds and pulled those out. But this place is great. This lawn has officially been rescued, and the customer is elated. She's extremely happy, and yeah, this is what we aim for. This is what we want to accomplish, because so many people, you know, probably you just figure, well, you know, this is how things are. Nothing can be done. My lawn doesn't look nice and clean. It only looks good when I cut it, but it doesn't have to be like that. You know, you can actually get things recovered. You can actually get the lawn, the grass, and so on renovated, and be able to enjoy it again. Enjoy just looking at it. Enjoy interacting with it, and yeah, be confident that you're going to be able to have it for a very, very long time. So that's what lawn rescue is all about. If you have that kind of challenge, or you know somebody, you know, let's see how we can do. Let's see how we can come look at it, talk about it, make a plan towards fixing it, and get you here or even better. So until then, you know, look out for your call, stay green, and let's do it.